Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we will be talking about another lecture in the minitab series, and this lecture is about using the descriptive stats in minitab and how you can display different descriptive stats about any data. So first of all, when we are talking about descriptive stats in minitab, we are talking about summarizing data with central values. We are talking about measuring the degree of variation, and we can also use it to explore possible differences in different groups. So this video will be telling about you the basics of how you can make the descriptive stats and how you can function on different values. Plus it will also tell you about how you can make a descriptive stats graph in minitab, and talking about the data of this one, because as we know that we have to use data in descriptive stats, so you must have a numerical type of data. These data can be the defective parts or the number of defective parts in the organization, the cost of machine repairs, the individual test score or students, and this data can be used for the descriptive statistics. And basically you can also use the optional grouping column, which we will see when I will move forward in the video. And you can also use the survey responses, and you can fill up data in different columns. So working on the descriptive statistics, we will be working on a data which is a meteorologist data about hometown weather over a course of a year. So it will indicate some values over the day of month with significant precipitation, like how much rain was in that area. So let's start working on this one. As you know that this is already a session window, this is worksheet 1. We will work on an already available worksheet. So I will go into the sample worksheet over here, click open worksheet. You will have a sample worksheets over here. In this one, go over the precipitation worksheet, like over here I have. When I will go that working on this one, go up like here, this one. So double open it, it will open up here. So it will tell a copy of content of file will be added to the current project. Okay, I will click it, do not display this message, and I will click OK. So you can see over here there is a column with different values, like it has 2, 3, 10, 5, 4. So over a year it has a value, it has 12 values. So over a year it is showing you that this one was precipitation in a hometown or in a location in the world. So working on this one, how we can calculate the descriptive statistics, you will go to the stat, you will go into the basic stats, you will click display descriptive statistics. So basically it will summarize your data. When you will click this one, it will ask you the column. So if the column is not present over here, just double click, it will come over here, and by variable is the option. So we are working on the journal thing one. You will click OK, and it will show you the result over here. If you can see that it has show you the number of values, which is 11, because one was empty over here. The mean is 3.36. it has also told you the standard deviation, minimum value, median, and maximum value, and also 3 different values in quarter 1 and quarter 2 and quarter 3. So basically you can just by using this, you can generate the descriptive statistics of our data, that what is the standard deviation and what is the minimum or the maximum median of that data. And if you want to further work on it, just go over here and you can just add more values. Like I want to work on different data, you can just add 6, you can add 8, 9, and I did now 16 values. So if I want to work again on different set of values, I will go over here again, I will click this one, this value is already here, I will double click over here and I will click OK. So you can see the difference now over here. When I change the values, the data was changed, number of variables were 15, the mean became 4.533 from 3.36, and standard deviation is also changed. So it also shows you that with the data the values also change, and if the data is more, your standard deviation will change. So on different types of data, your standard deviation will change and your descriptive statistics will change. Similarly, like when we are talking about stats, basic statistics, you can also make a graphical summary of your data when you will click it, you will select the variable over here, and you can also select the confidence level. I will not go into the detail at this moment. You will just click OK, and it will make you like this type of graph, and it will show you the a scared value, the p value, the mean, standard deviation, variance, skewness, kurtosis, number of variable. So it will also give you the 95% confidence level over here, or which is for the mean, for median, and standard deviation. And also chart are representing of the how much was the median, or what was the basic summary of the report for the precipitation data. So you can use the descriptive statistics and its function for analyzing your data, and you can also perform the normality test, and it will tell you that your data is normal or not. So when you are working on any new type of data, you can work on this one, and you can just generate your data for your values, and you can just work on them to analyze that your data is accurate according to your requirements or not. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.